Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen, Sayyidina wa Mawlana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Muhammad Series Part 1 Biography. In Arabic, the word Muhammad means the person who is highly or frequently and repeatedly praised for his good deeds. Therefore, he is a praiseworthy person. When Muslims say Muhammad's name, it is a religious requirement to show respect and say peace be upon him, which is commonly abbreviated in brackets as PBUH. In Arabic, it is written like this. It should be shown on the screen right now. Personal details. Name Muhammad. Father's name Abdullah, son of Abdul Muttalib. Ancestry reaches back to Prophet Ismail, son of Prophet Ibrahim. Surname, clan. He was from Bani Hashim family. Bani Hashim was from Quraysh, a tribe that was highly ranked in Arabia. Date of birth 22nd of April 570 CE approximately. Place of birth City of Mecca, Arabian Peninsula, currently in Saudi Arabia. Date of death 6th of June 632 CE approximate date. He was 63 years old when he passed away. Death and burial place City of Medina, approximately 450 kilometers north of Mecca. You will see a picture on the screen now. Childhood and adolescence. Birth 2 years old. Muhammad had no brothers or sisters. His father passed away before he was born. His mother sent him out of Mecca to be breastfed by a wet nurse called Halima. This was an old Arab custom. 2 to 6 years old, he lived with his mother Amina until she passed away in the year 576 CE. 6 to 8 years old, he lived with his grandfather Abdul Muttalib until he passed away. 8 to 25 years old, he lived with his paternal uncle Abu Talib, who had 10 children. Education. Muhammad was illiterate and could not read or write. He never lived outside of Mecca or sought foreign knowledge. Muslims believe that Muhammad did not author the Quran, but he conveyed it letter by letter and word by word. Muhammad's sayings and teachings were not mixed with the Holy Quran. They were collected in books called the Sunnah of the Prophet, which means his teachings, way of life, explanation of the book, the Holy Quran. Childhood to mid-twenties. He worked as a shepherd for some time, looking after sheep and goats for others. In addition, he worked trading with his uncle Abu Talib. According to authentic narrations, Muhammad was 12 years old when he for the first time joined his uncle Abu Talib in a trading trip to Syria. Mid-20s to 40 years old. He worked as a merchant or a trader for a wealthy woman called Hatija, who was a general trading business. They used to buy commodities from one area and sell them in another. Muhammad was famous for his reliability, integrity, and trustworthiness. It was not long before he earned the title of Sadiqul Amin, which means the truthful and the trustworthy. 40 to 67 years old. When he was 40 years old, year 610 CE, Muhammad received the divine revelation and dedicated his life conveying God's message to all people. He taught people the oneness of God and conveyed God's book, the Quran, which called for social justice, peace, harmony, and well-being. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
وافر قدمته أمشي به يسعى معي كل الذي يرجون فضلك كل الذي يرجون